mountain, northern sky. We were forged where the dark seas roar. Sons of storm in the shield wall war. Steel in hand and the ravens call. Hear the drums from the longhouse hall. Through the frost and the biting rain, we ride the wind to war again. Hear the storm begin to rise, lightning burning in our eyes. We are the sons of the north wind, born where the black seas roar. Storforged hearts within us, we march forever to war. We are the sons of the north winds, blaze rays to the sky. When the ravens circle above us, another king will die. Another king will die. Across the waves our longships glide, dragon prows through the rising tide. Village fires in the distance burn, where the northern warriors return. Spears will break and shields will fall, but the storm will claim them all. From the ice to the blood-red shore, the wind will carry us to war. Hear the storm begin to rise, lightning burning in our eyes. We are the sons of the north wind, born where the black seas roar. Storm-forged hearts within us, we march forever to war. We are the sons of the north winds, laid rays to the sky. When the ravens circle above us, another king will die. We will stay, steel and fury of engine, not escape the northern world. We are the sons of the north world.